Today I'll be taking a look at the Toughbuild QuickSet Workbench after months of everyday use, outdoors and indoors. I'll tell you what I like about it and what not, and what could be better. So far I really like it. It's so easy and fast to set up. You just push the button, pull the lever and you're ready to go. It is very portable but not light. It weighs 14 kilos or 30 pounds. The weight does prevent it from being blown over by a little wind and also gives it some stability. But it is a bit wobbly without any weight on it. But I found it not to be a real problem. The legs are not adjustable. There's no altering the height or level it on an uneven floor. It comes with one clip for the Toughbuild pouches, but you can add more. I found the pouch comes in handy for small tools and, for example, a tape measure, stuff that gets misplaced all the time, and this saves you time looking for it. Anyway, you can also attach a bucket or similar. The worktop is made of some high density plastic. It has a nice feel to it, but it does scratch, and this being after a few months, I wonder what it will look like after a year or so. There are also these markings, but I found them not very useful. They are difficult to read and not very precise. The centimeter scale goes up in 2 centimeter steps. I think the workbench could do without. There are also plenty of slots you can use for clamping the workpiece in place. My end conclusion is that if you're looking for a portable workbench, the Toughbuild might be the right one for you.